For order still 50, Mr. Sanjay Kumar.
Yes. In this case, Lordship, the petitioner Lordship challenged the judgment and order dated 12/7/2017. Whereby Lordship the order passed by the Joint Director. This is Lordship may kindly see the first order of
Praveen ने order लिखा है. There's so many mistakes. Huh? Just a minute, let us go through the order
Lordship.
of 28/4/2022.
First of all, Lordship, I may permitted to place the order of the Joint Director, Lordship.
Let us
was challenged before this honourable.
Can you give us 1 minute?
Lordship.
Let us go through the order. You were asked to give the
Lordship,
the plaint of the title suit number 18 of 2008.
I have already served the copy, Lordship, but
What is it? Does it relate to the same thing or a different issue?
My lord, it is with regard to some different plots, my lord, at
So
different districts.
that was not.
But that was
matter
not the
discussed.
issue raised in the
Yeah,
writ
this is-
petition, my lord.
Yes, yes.
That was one of the ground. Yes, there is title suit is pending before the.
That's right,
one
and
of
therefore
the
the matter was. But you have not been able to overcome the difficulty of the delay.
delay, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, basically, just I am placing some relevant fact, Lordship, because they have filed, Lordship, earlier a petition before the consolidation officer in the year 1987. Lordship, may kindly see the order, Lordship. First of all, Lordship, I may place the order of the Joint Director. This is the impugned before the Honourable Single Bench, Lordship. I may be permitted to place this case.
Give me 1 minute again.
Order dated 6/6/2020, 2011. Lordship had got it, then I.
1 second, sir. Now, who had filed this writ petition?
My adversary respondent, Lordship, here.
Deepak Kumar Tripathi. Yes. And what was the prayer therein?
Lordship, the prayer of the writ application was to quash this order 6/6/2011 that was passed by the court of the Joint Director Consolidation.
The collector had passed an order for creating checks. No, the Joint Director Consolidation had done.
Consolidation officer, Lordship, earlier decided the issue in favor of the Lordship, the private respondent. Here is the private respondent.
All right. The consolidation officer had decided
Yes,
that out
because,
of the 3 villages,
Yes, they have
one out of the 4 villages, there
all-
also the checks should be decided in favor of the parties.
Yes.
In favor
Lordship,
in favor of
basically
the
matter was
shareholders.
set at rest in the revisional survey. Then, Lordship, the register was prepared, Lordship, in terms of Section 8 and Section 9 of the Act. Lordship, may kindly see Section 8 and 9.
But here,
Section Lordship 9, preparation of the register of lands. When the records of the right and map have been or are deemed to have been brought up to date, there shall be determined the valuation of each plot after taking into consideration the opinion of the village advisory committee of such rayat as may be available, and after taking into consideration its productivity, location and availability of the irrigation facility, if any. Then second Lordship, there shall be prepared in the prescribed form. This is Lordship the particulars of the land. Then the next step is to preparation of the statement of principle. Then Lordship, this has been done just after revisional survey. That has been held in the year 1970, 71, 72 in the state of Bihar. They have challenged the correction of the Lordship this revisional survey in the year 1987, more than 10 years, and without giving me any notice. The consolidation officer decided the matter in favor of the writ petitioner. This is my case. I was in service outside the state of Bihar. I was not informed. No notice was given to me. Then Lordship, the joint director Lordship has dealt with the matter. Lordship may kindly see order 66/2011. He has called for the report from the private writ petitioner. He to produce the report. He failed to produce the report. The very first page of the Lordship I am placing. यह पुनरीक्षणवाद चकबंदी प्राधिकारी राजपुर बक्सर द्वारा बात संख्या 9/2010-11 में दिनांक 29/6/2010 को पारित आदेश के विरुद्ध अधिनियम की धारा 35 के तहत दायर किया गया है। इस बाद में विवादित जमीन बक्सर जिले के राजपुर अंचल का मौजा खेमपुर का थाना नंबर सो खाता नंबर इतना है। प्रतिवादियों को निबंधित डाक द्वारा सूचना दी गई। दोनों पक्षों को सुना गया। लिखित बहस एवं कागजात जमा करने हेतु निर्देश दिया गया। वादी द्वारा अपना कागजात एवं लिखित बहस जमा किया गया। प्रतिवादी को कई तिथियों पर लिखित बहस एवं कागजात जमा करने हेतु समय दिया गया, लेकिन कागजात एवं लिखित बहस जमा नहीं किया गया। दिस इज द फॉल्ट ऑफ द रिट पिटिशनर। इस स्थिति में दोनों पक्षों की सुनवाई उपलब्ध कराए गए कागजातों के आधार पर निर्णय लिया गया। दिस इज द लॉर्डशिप जीनियोलॉजी। वी आर ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर्स लॉर्डशिप। चारों ग्रामों की जमीन मामले के रामराजो कुंवर जोजे सो के नाम थी। हाल सर्वे में चारों ग्रामों के बीच जमीन का खतियान वादी एवं प्रतिवादी के नाम से तैयार हुआ, जो ठीक था। चकबंदी में ग्राम मेहरिया सो में पैतृक संपत्ति का चक खतियान तीनों हिस्सेदारों वादी एवं प्रतिवादी के नाम पर बना, जो सही है। वादी सरकारी नौकरी के कारण घर से बाहर रहते थे, इसलिए प्रतिवादी द्वारा खेमपुर ग्राम की जमीन चकबंदी वाद संख्या 3287 this was filed by the private
Mr. Chaube,
My lord.
now you need to show to us, now we understand the limitations of the appellate court here,
My lord.
but you need to show to us the document about which you had made oral statement before the joint director of the partition and the arrangement, so that the lands of one village would be retained by you only and not him.
Lord, so this is the case.
My lord.
Because this was asked of you by the joint director.
My lord.
You made an oral statement, you did not give any supporting document, and therefore the joint director decides.
My lord, our
that
case is.
your case is, we have understood
My
what
lord.
is your case.
My lord.
Now your case is basically dependent on your assertion that with respect to 3 villages the lands were divided equally or proportionately. With respect to 1 village, all the lands were given to you in a private partition.
1 and 2.
Now we are concerned with 1 today.
My lord.
Mogra or Vogra, whatever is the village name.
Khempur.
Now Khempur.
Khempur.
Now with respect to that, the grounds that you raised, the oral assertion that you made, let us have a copy of in black and white of the document on the basis of which you are making that statement. We will end the issue here.
My lord.
This is what perhaps I had asked
In
for on
fact,
the last occasion.
no, my lord, that was not the issue.
Oh,
raised
I had
at that
asked
time.
him before for the
Yes,
plaint of the title suit.
My
He has
lord,
done that, you have
with
not
re-
done your
with
part,
regard
Mr. Chaudhary.
with regard to that, my lord.
Prima
you-
facie, we are finding that the order of the joint director consolidation is correct.
my
Prima
lord,
facie,
My lord.
because it flows logically.
Your lordship may
4
kindly see
villages,
the writ
all of
petition.
you are members of the same family. Now, true it is, 1987, now he will be required to answer many things. 1987 the matter was decided, no appeal.
It attained finality.
You can't take advantage of this when you don't have any document in your favor. Make a statement that the document you lost it.
My lord, your lordship may kindly see the writ petition, my lord.
Mr. Chaube, you have understood what I am asking.
My lord, I understood.
You give that a statement, we will come down on Mr. Sanjay Kumar heavily that he is agitating this matter after such a long delay.
My lord,
And the single judge was right in saying that the delay spoils every case.
that I am endeavoring to show your lordship,
Please do
apart
that.
from the time.
Otherwise we
Your lordship may kindly see
otherwise
the writ
let-
petition, my
let-
lord.
Let you understand properly what is passing on in the mind of the bench.
My lord, I completely understood.
Unless कि हमारे पास private तो 3 इंसान जगह कहाँ की और एक कोई कहता है हमारा private डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा दे तो देख ले otherwise it flows logically from the situation और ये डिले विले तो सब अपनी जगह है but unjust enrichment हो जाएगा ना बाहर रहता है तो उसकी जमीन पर तो प्रॉब्लम Mr. Chaube, first things first, you show us the document or make a statement that it is not available with you. It was a yadast partition. अगर मैंने आपको जगह भी दे दी है
In the writ petition, my lord, it is on affidavit. It is on affidavit,
उसको
my lord.
कैसे मानेंगे हम फिर? How has
And not reverted back by the appellants herein, who were respondents
वही
there.
है delay 1987 settlement he has not challenged. All this we find, but we are inclined to exercise the appellate jurisdiction as a jurisdiction of the single judge. We will go beyond this.
My lord, may kindly see only the writ petition, my lord, paragraph number 8 and 9.
Paragraph 8 and 9 of the writ petition.
Writ petition. And then, my lord, the counter affidavit para 19 at page 10.
देखिए आप ये प्लीडिंग्स के बल पर केस जीतना वो ठीक है अपनी जगह, हमें डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा दीजिए, मैं कंफर्म कर दूंगा.
Even I'll show that, my lord. Because
All right.
without any document, such pleadings cannot be made, my lord.
Unless I have been able to give you some clue, unless you say that it is याददाश्त partition, उसको भी रिकॉर्ड करना होगा.
My lord, give me some time.
वो देखें पैराग्राफ 8 में.
My lord. Paragraph 8 at page 7 of the brief, my lord.
Yes,
Writ petition.
yes.
That in the year 1987 itself, the petitioner preferred consolidation case number 22 of 1987 under section 10B of the Act. The land in question was entered in the name of the petitioners under section 10B of the Consolidation Act after local inspection of the Village Advisory Committee and Chak Khata number 60 was
ये
made.
तो भूल ही रहे हैं हम. We are taking
My
note
lord,
of this.
thereafter, my lord, it is worth mentioning here that neither any objection nor any appeal
That's
or
all right,
revision
that's
was
the-
ever made.
That's the ground which has been taken.
My lord,
Has it not been taken into account by the joint director? Yes, it has. Your
There-
argument has been noted in toto.
thereafter, my lord, subsequently the petitioner number 2 transferred her share in 4 villages by way of gift in favor of wife of the petitioner number 1,
तो
namely
वही
Meena
सब हमें
Devi.
दिखा दीजिए.
That
Show us the document. Even Khista document we will accept it.
obliged.
Show us the document.
I'll
Otherwise-
bring it on record.
Otherwise it will be difficult for
I'll
us
bring
to
it on
sustain
record.
the
Just
single
because, my
judgment.
lord, the title suit is also pending with regard to that.
Mr. Chaube, that goes against you. That was one of the reasons which weighed with the London single judge in setting aside the order of the joint director. That was one of the reasons.
No, my lord.
Now
the-
come to the single judge's order.
My lord.
Now this is what happens. You
That
make a
is in
statement-
that
you
is in
make
my
a-
favor, my lord.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
I am respondent here before your lordship, my
no.
lord.
देखें कहाँ.
Paragraph 6, last line. But in the course of hearing, he fairly considered that this fact that the private respondents have already filed title suit for declaration of their right, title and possession in respect of the lands of village
अच्छा
Khempur.
इन्होंने कहा दिया था.
Yes,
Private respondent.
Yes.
But anyway, that is something else.
now he is refuting it.
No. He is not refuting it. He is only producing the document,
Lordship.
and therefore the facts are being straightened.
My lord, they are not
आप
bringing
केवल-
on record the
केवल-
title suit number
now, Mr.
242.
Chaube, all that you require to do for the order of the single judge to be sustained, any document which would show that you had the complete possession, you were in, that property devolved upon you by any mode of conveyance.
My lord.
Otherwise, चारों गांव बड़ा
I will be obliged, my lord.
बड़ा अटपटा सा लग रहा है कि 3 गांव में सब चक डिफरेंट है और
This is
एक
lordship
गांव में
the
केवल आपको है,
fraud
आपकी
with
प्रॉपर्टी
the
है. कॉमन सेंस ये डिफाई कर रहा है.
हुजूर उसके बदले में उनको दूसरे जगह दिया
नहीं,
गया
नहीं,
है, वही दिखलाना
Make a statement on oath
My
and
lord.
show us the document. We'll accept it. Because there is a big delay which he will not be able to overcome.
My lord.
If you show me one document, we will come down heavily on him, as has the learned single judge done. All right. When do you want it?
Next week anytime, my lord.
As prayed for on behalf of the respondent, re-notify on. We are fixing it on 12th of July.
Obliged, my lord.
Re-notify on 12th of July.